Sure is.
Dreadful.
President Obama announcing that the Pentagon's plan to close GITMO and relocate all prisoners to centers in the United States. Look who's here, itching to go at this one. You want to close GITMO, do you not?
The Constitution wants GITMO closed. I'm saying this partially in jest to provoke you, because I know what you're going to say. That's your view of the Constitution.
It is. It's your view of the Constitution.
Yes. I'll tell you what is very sound and is not ideological, and that is that under the Constitution, with respect to federal prisoners in custody of the Defense Department or the Justice Department, the president is the jailer. And as the jailer, the president can open and close jails, and he can move prisoners from jail to jail, and Congress has no say in it. So I would argue, under standard, well-accepted Supreme Court jurisprudence, the president doesn't need Congress's consent to move those people to wherever he wants to put them. There'll be a political fallout and a political uproar that he'll have to deal with. Maybe he doesn't care since he's in his last year in office, but he can legally do it on his own. What I heard him say today was he's going to ask Congress to do it because it's a money saver, because the federal courts are more efficient. I think he's right about the federal courts being more efficient. But I thought I heard a hint of, I may do this anyway, because this is what I tried to do my first minute in office. And it may be the last thing I do, but I'll get it done. I thought I detected that from listening to him between the lines. Did you?
And you approve of this?
The Constitution approves.
Yeah. You approve of it, don't you?
It's been such a black mark on the legal system. All 6 times that the Supreme Court has ruled on GITMO, the government has lost.
Okay, so I will rescue you from the anger of our viewers by moving to another subject. Is that okay with you, Judge?
All right. I thought you were going to say you will rescue me from my own incarceration at GITMO.
No. We're not quite there yet. Now, look, students at the University of Nebraska, they're demanding Chick-Fil-A restaurant banished from the campus, okay? I think that's terrible, because they say that because Chick-fil-A supports traditional marriage, that it's anti-gay, gay students at that university will feel intimidated, so get them out.
It's
you say?
Beyond terrible, because the University of Nebraska is owned by the state of Nebraska, and the state of Nebraska is regulated by the First Amendment. And the First Amendment prohibits the government and all that it owns from interfering with people's work and business on the basis of their speech or their beliefs. So if this were a private school, like, say, is the London School of Economics? I guess nothing's private in Great Britain. If this were a private school like Harvard, Yale, or Princeton, they could kick off whoever they want for any reason. But because it is owned by the government, they can only do what the government can do. Question: can the government, which has a contract with you to sell Chick-fil-A products, kick you off and break the contract because it doesn't like your political opinions? Answer: no. Same answer for the University of Nebraska.
I do not expect the government to come to the aid of Chick-fil-A, even though a vast majority of students wanted them on campus.
But wait a minute. This is Nebraska. This is not New York City. This is not Bill de Blasio. You may very well have a government out there that comes to the defense of constitutional principles. It's not Chick-fil-A we're defending. It's the fact that government can't interfere with contracts, particularly because of the political opinions of the contracting parties.
It's also like kicking off ROTC, right, out of college campuses.
It's a little different because ROTC's owned by the feds.
But it's the same principle.
On the same side, Mr. London School of Economics, on this one?
Well, Princeton, you're right on one, you're wrong on another.
What am I wrong?
I'm right on both. I'm right on both. All right, everybody, we keep it sane and pleasant here on
God love you, Varney.
All right.